What's going on, guys? So welcome to another video. You're probably wondering why the hell I'm at a post office. Had to take care of some business. Figured while I'm out, why not do a motovlog? So the reason I want a motovlog is because I've got something really exciting that's happening soon, but it also means that this video is illegal. I'm going to explain why. It has to do with what's in this tail bag. Oh God, Senna. No, I don't want to say a command. So if you clicked on this video thinking I was gonna pull some motonosity shit, jump on the highway and go like 130, nah, not at all. But Atlanta has these two really big buildings. We call them the King and Queen building. I don't know what they're for, but they're huge and they're really cool looking. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about drone stuff. I'm gonna go try to find those buildings, and if everything works out, I'm gonna try to fly my drone around those buildings. If it's legal. It's probably not. We'll find out. Part of the fun of this video is the fact that I don't know how to get to the said King and Queen buildings. What I do know is that they are off of the highway, so if I can get to the highway, I stand a very good chance of seeing them. Alright, so I'm relatively certain that I need to be on 285 East. Pretty sure. Can I even see the buildings from here? No, I can't. Okay, that's fine. It said to go straight to get on the 285 East, so that's a green ass Jeep. Holy shit. I don't know if you guys can see that. So guys, a lot of you guys have probably seen videos of mine where I'm flying a drone and stuff like that, right? So I've got a couple of drones. I've got this little red Mavic. It's not red, but I've got, you know, a skin on it that makes it red. And it unfolds. You'll see that later in the video. It's a really cool little drone, and it can do a lot for how tiny it is. And that's not the only drone I have. I have bigger drones that can do bigger things. But as far as stuff on the motorcycle, stuff I want to be taking up to the mountains, that's why I have the Mavic. It's very tiny, and the picture out of it's actually really good. So last year, the FAA, the Federal Aviation Administration, oh my good God, road, Jesus. This road sucks. Did you guys see the bike? Holy shit, the whole handlebars are just like, woohoo! The FAA is basically the regulatory body, like the people, like they're the air police, if you want to look at it like that. They're the people that if you fly a drone and do something you're not supposed to do, you get a ticket from them. So I think it was last year, something like that, the FAA made it a regulation that you have to have this license to fly a drone commercially. Technically, since I monetize my YouTube channel, I am commercially flying a drone when I am using a drone shot in a video. So it has been on my radar to go and take this. It's called the Part 107. If you guys are drone fans, you've heard of it. If you guys are drone fans, you've probably heard of the Part 107. But all last year, I wanted to go take this exam. It costs like 150 bucks, and you can get an online class and like study for it and stuff. But last year, like, you know, I do video work outside of YouTube sometimes, so it's really smart if I got the Part 107. That way I wouldn't have this issue of like, if I get asked to do this architecture job, can I legally do that? You know, and will you get a ticket and stuff like that? So it makes a lot of sense for me to do it, but I could never fit it into my schedule last year, which sucked. Because you got to understand, like, this is a serious ass test. You got to study for like, I don't know, probably 2 days if you get one of these study guides. And then the test, you have to pay this $150 and go in and take it. And once you take it and then pass it, obviously, you're able to fly a drone commercially. So, I need to stop. So yeah, I got my Mavic in the back, and the reason this video is technically illegal is because I'm going to be filming this before I go take my drone test. My plan is, I've been doing some research and watching YouTube videos, but I'm going to go ahead and record this video like a couple days ahead of time. And then next week sometime, I'm going to schedule this to go live. I'll give you guys an update video what actually happened, like if I passed it or not. And I know these buildings are on this road somewhere. I'm gonna plan on going and taking that exam sometime next week, probably like Tuesday or Wednesday, because I got a text from Brian. Brian's the guy that helps me do Wreck Bike Reboot. He's the mechanic. Told me that he's not gonna be able to film this week, and I'm like, oh my god, that's perfect. I won't have anything to do on Sunday. I could study all day Monday, go take the exam on Wednesday or Tuesday, right? I think that's a pretty solid plan. I'm very excited for it, very nervous about it. I don't know if you guys don't care about drones, you probably don't care about the rest of this video. So if you click away, you won't hurt my feelings. You know, the drone industry is such a new thing that the FAA doesn't really have a solid exam to take. So what they did was they took the regular pilot exam, like the same exam dudes have to take that can literally fly planes. They took that, they took little pieces out of it, and were like, yeah, let's make drone people have to know that. So Heather and I have been, Heather's not taking it, but she's helping me study for it. And one of the things I had to learn was the military alphabet. You know, like Alpha, Bravo, Delta, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Golf, blah, 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 blah. And so she's been helping me study for that. And I think I've got all the letters down, but I'm still rusty every now and then when she asks me a question about it. We were driving somewhere the other day. I think we go into a shoot for her, and literally out of nowhere, Heather pulls this savage ass move of like, we're just driving, listening to music on the radio, and she goes, boom, turns the radio off, and she goes, all right, A. And I'm like, oh shit, what? I was laughing so hard at that. I'm like, damn, babe, okay, all right, cool. I got a lot of stuff in the works that I really want to talk to you guys about, but I'm just not to the point where I'm really ready to put it out there yet. But this drone certification is one big step in the right direction to get, I don't know, you know, just all the professional stuff locked away. Oh, there they are. There's the King and Queen building. Okay. Now to get to them. So yeah, guys, so I don't know which one's what. Feminine shapes are normally rounded, so I'm guessing the building on the right is the Queen and the one on the left is the King. I really don't know how to get there now. Okay. Let's this is gonna be a bit of an exploratory vlog. Let's see, so they're over there. Definitely gonna have to get off here. Okay. A lot of you guys probably know that I've used the drone in many videos on this channel, specifically the ones where me and Yummy did the adventure series. If you're not familiar, you haven't seen that series, I highly recommend it. Yummy R6, another motor vlogger here on YouTube. We have this series we call the adventure series, where back when he used to live in Atlanta, we would literally just go out and adventure on supermotos. Yeah, and a few of those videos, you know, we would go out and do stupid shit on supermotos. I'd have a book bag on with a drone in the back of it, and there's a couple of videos that come to my memory when I'm thinking about it. It's a really good time. I highly recommend that series. I'll try to remember to put a link in the description so you guys can go see that playlist. But yeah, so those videos, technically by the FAA, I'm not allowed to put those videos up because I put them online and I monetize them, so it's commercial use. So yeah, try not to be illegal, man. I want to advance my filmmaking career, and I'm just not interested in pushing it when all I could do is pay 150 bucks, study for a couple days. The only thing that sucked is last year the schedule just got really crammed, and you know, finding 3 days to do that's rough, man. Actually, you know what, if the weather holds out, what I could do is I could just ride the bike to the test center, because from what I understand, it's literally just like a multiple choice test. You just go in front of a computer and click answers and shit. From the research that I've watched, like the videos I've watched, you know instantly. So I can hypothetically vlog on the way there, take it, then vlog on the way back. So that'll be pretty cool. Damn, they are way back there, dude. Holy cow. So guys, while we're lollygagging around trying to find these buildings, I did want to take an opportunity to thank you guys. There's been two things semi-recently that have gone down that you guys just really showed up and supported, and I really appreciated that, and I wanted to tell you on a video. One of the things, my Positive motorcycle apparel brand, Ride Apparel, we launched those gray snapbacks that say Ride on them, and you guys literally bought all of them in one day. So I know I like them, and you know, we make products that we like, me and my business partner, so like we like this stuff, but you never know if other people will like it. And you guys just like, I think I put it in a video, and then the next day I woke up and we literally had no more left, and I literally spent the entire next day like shipping out orders and stuff. So all of you guys that went over to rideapparel.com, I really appreciate that. It's awesome that there's other riders out there that want to spread this message and show that motorcycling isn't full of douchebags and assholes, you know what I mean? Another huge thing, and part of why we're doing this drone stuff today, is the Ridden Sunday YouTube channel. If you guys aren't familiar about that, that's the channel where I want to be putting up my personal professional content. I'm going to start out with doing documentary style, like mini documentary style videos about motorcyclists and kind of what got them into riding and all this kind of stuff. I put a teaser up a couple weeks ago. Actually, you know what? It was the first video of this season, of this year. And I told you guys to go check out the channel. I needed 1,000 subscribers so that I could name the channel. And again, you guys just showed up. Everybody went over there and like subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, I would love you guys to go do that. The only thing that's up on that channel right now is a teaser video, so there's no real content to watch. But if you go over there and subscribe, you will be prepped up to watch the best quality content I can possibly make. I want to treat it super professionally, and you know, like I want to be really proud of the content I put up there. I'll give you guys updates on this channel as well, but yeah, you guys really showed up for that. I think we had 1,000 subscribers in like the first day or something, which is, it's awesome that, you know, you guys show up like that. And I expect that channel to actually grow once I start putting out content on it. I don't really expect a lot of people to like subscribe now, because it's like, but why? Oh man, am I getting closer or farther away now? I don't know the answer. I think I just need to go left. Oh my god, is that literally a parking area? Damn it. I thought that was a road. God, I'm so stupid. Alright, I don't want to go to this. Where is that? Perimeter Square. Not interested. This looks like an actual road. It is an actual road. Here's the thing about drones. I could literally launch this thing from here and I could fly it over there, but I want to be closer to those buildings. Like I would like to get a cool shot of them close up. Not close up, like not in the parking lot of those buildings, but like closer than this. Can't even see them from here. This is a cool little road. This is like a road that would be like in a Ken Block video, like one of those Gymkhana things where he'd be drifting around shit. Holy cow, we got way closer to those way quicker than I expected. How to get a shot. Alright, BRB, hold on, we're gonna try something. We're going to skip in line a little bit. Treating the world as my oyster right now. Alright, we're making progress. Making progress. Alright, now we gotta figure out a place to park to see them. Ooh, big old parking lot right there. It's probably gonna be enforced by a police officer. But hey, if you're not pushing boundaries, what are you doing with your life? I don't know if that's gonna be possible. Oh, okay. Totally. Well, never mind. Hold on. A giant air. Aw, man, somebody would tattle. Alright, I gotta find a place. I gotta find a place to park. Because I'm here, y'all. I found them. I found these sons of bitches. And I know all of these other parking areas are going to be the exact same, where I'm not going to be able to get into them. Dude, those buildings though, how legit. I've never been this close to them. Is that like a preschool? Yeah, that would be frowned upon. I'm definitely not going to go over there. Let's try the freaking Publix parking lot. Let's see what happens. All right, so what we're looking for, seclusion, guys. That's our key right now, is seclusion. We want to interrupt nobody, and we don't want people getting all sketched out that, oh my God, there's a drone in the sky. Man, if I could launch it right here next to Dan's Corvette, oh, that'd be cool. Dude, I think this is a spot, guys. Okay, we'll see what happens. Okay, so I have this little app that I don't even know what it's called, but it tells me where airports are, and it looks like there's an airport right there, and we're inside of that 5-mile radius. I'll show you the drone anyway, for you guys that have never seen it. So this is a Mavic Pro. The arms fold out, these fold out, and yeah, that's it. And then you control it with this little controller. It's pretty neat, man. So what I'm gonna do is fly it next to the bike, and that way, like, get it in the air, come over here, take a photo, and be like, boom. Oh my God, I can fly it like this. That's terrifying. Let me get it a little closer to the bike. Okay. Now, it should stay. Those are cool shots. Alright, so guys, don't tell anybody, but we're gonna fly a little bit. And we'll do a very small flight. We're not supposed to. It'll be my last illegal flight. Drones are cool, man. They give you this really neat perspective on things, and this little Mavic is absolutely fantastic. It's by far my favorite as far as portability. You cannot beat it. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, and I will update you guys on what happens with this whole drone exam thing. If I can, I'll ride there, and I'll bring you guys along. And I got a lot of cool stuff happening that I want to talk to you guys about, but it's just not the right time yet. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Alright, outro crew, you're going to just do this long shot back. It's not going to be long, but you know what I mean. It's been so long since I flew the Mavic. I really am now considering getting those silent blades, because if this thing was a little more quiet, dude, that'd be dope. Alright, outro crew, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.